Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord on guitar, IANN DIOR heavy. So this one is pretty heavy. About 3 chords, no need for any capo. So let's start right away. The chords are E minor, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is G, so that is third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is C major 7. So that is third on A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, we have a strumming pattern, and that is in 2 parts, you can say. We need to divide it into 2 parts. So the first part will be shown here with the E minor chord. So the first part sounds like this. Right? So it's down, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Right? So that's the first part. The second part will be shown with a G chord, and that part is up, down, 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 up. So up, down, 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 up. Up, down, down, down. So if we connect these 2 parts slowly, it will be from this part 1 with E minor to part 2 with G. It will sound like this. Again, with some more speed. Again. Alright, so there we have the strumming. So the chord progression will be like we just learned here: E minor part 1, then you shift to G and play the part 2, and then you shift to C major 7 and play both part 1 and part 2. So the C major 7 will be like this. Alright, so the E minor, G, and C major 7 will sound like this with the strumming. So that was the chords and the strumming. But we have a very important part left, and that is the melody that's going on through the entire song. And yeah, this one builds upon, of course, the same chords, and this one will be different if you think as 2 rounds of the chord progression: E minor, G, C, E minor, G, C. That will be kind of a full round of the melody. If you understand what I mean? Yeah, you will when I explain everything for you. So let's start with the E minor part. It sounds like this. So very easy. So it's open E in the bass together with the open E top string. And then you play the 3rd fret B string. And that's it for E minor. comes the G part. Sounds like this. And the open G there. So that is the 3rd fret on E in the bass, together with the open B string. Then 2nd G and open G. Right? So that is the G part. 3rd on E together with open B, 2nd G and open G. And then comes the final C part for the first round, okay? And that sounds like this. Okay, so that is 3rd on A, then open G, open B, back to open G, 1st B, open B, and open G. So 3rd A, open G, open B, open G, 1st B, open B, and open G. That is the first round. The second round will differ a little bit, and that will be like this: E minor played in the same way as the first one, so okay, and the G is the one that differs a little bit. It's played like this. Okay, so that is 3rd on E in the bass together with the open B. And then you play the 2nd fret on E here in top string and 3rd fret E. And the final C part is played in the same way as in the first round. So I'm gonna play this full melody here. That means 2 rounds of E minor, G and C major 7. So you really understand how it's done there. So let's go. Yeah, so this is the main melody. In some places, some notes here and there will differ a little bit, but this is pretty much what's going on into this song. So good luck with this one. IANN DIOR's Heavy, and see you soon, guys. Don't forget, play tuned.